Let's talk about the Nigerian dog breed. That's Ekuke versus exotic breeds. When we talk about exotic breeds, we are talking about the likes of German Shepherd dogs, Rottweiler, Bulldog, and so on. Now, what is the difference between these two breeds? You see, a lot of people try to compare. I always tell people this: what you call a Ekuke is not a breed. It is not a breed. It is a land raised dog. Like, we just saw them around. Now, those ones we call exotic breeds, like the German Shepherd dog or foreign dogs like German Shepherd dog, they were worked on, and it took years. Like the German Shepherd dogs started in 1899 by Captain von Stephanis. He had a picture in mind. He wanted something to perform certain tasks. Look at the Doberman that was created or pioneered by Louis Doberman, who was a tax collector. He created the Doberman for a specific task too. What was that task? Since he was a tax collector, he wanted like something like a personal protection against some guys or some of these people. So that dog was bred. Look at the Bobo, bred to guard farms against wild animals. Look at the Bull Mastiff, bred to pin down intruders or suspects or criminals. The same thing for the Dachshunds, Lhasas, Shih Tzus, Eskimo, American Pitbull Terrier, all of them, and so on. Caucasian Shepherd dog, and so on. They all had a function. But the Ekuke, the local dogs we have around, we are never or have never been bred for a particular purpose. So that's a very big difference. Their gene and everything is very diverse. That's the reason why many of them can survive certain they are usually healthy, or they hardly fall ill or sick. So if you're asking, oh, what's the difference between this and this? It is just simple. This one is yet to be worked on. This one has been worked on. This one has no purpose, I won't say no value, because hunters use them, but they were not bred for any specific function at all. They could have their own advantages, like they don't get ill, they don't get sick, they live longer than this other one because of the intensity or the level of inbreeding and line breeding that went into producing all these breeds, popular breeds you know today. So that's the major difference between these breeds. I hope this video was helpful to someone out there. Thank you.